I wanted to create a light, crisp cocktail that was sweet but still had a little bit of a spicy kick. What's up, my name's David Leyva. I'm the bar manager over at Tequila Whiskey here in the Highlands. The name of my cocktail is La Fresa Caliente. The tequila I chose to use today is Exotico Blanco. It's 100% Weber Blue agave. It's from the highlands of Jalisco, meaning it has a larger, sweeter agave heart, which lends to a floral, well-rounded taste. The slight pepper notes in Exotico Blanco play really well with the Ancho Reyes Verde to bring in a nice little kick. This cocktail is best consumed on a beach patio on a bright and sunny day. This is David Leyva, and you're watching Cocktail Creators.